students conducting a short community study about the youth participation in barangay government programs.
Today, we interviewed our barangay captain, barangay officials, and community members to understand how youth can become more involved to the local governance.
Youth participation is important for community development.
However, many communities still experience low youth involvement in government program and activities.
Kapitan, what are the three government programs currently implemented in our barangay?
Una, pinakauna peace and order. Una ang barangay. Mapayapa pa, walang gulo. Pangalawa, dapat yung 20% may pagawa ng maganda para sa barangay. Ano pa yun? Right nyo. Dapat yung hindi natin dapat pabayaan para lahat ng
Ano po ang mga pagsubok na nararanasan dito sa Barangay Lanta?
ang pagsupok na naranasan ko dito sa Barangay Lanta, yung mga bata na pasaway na yung mga yung mga paternity na dili mo sila disiplina dahil mga bata pa sila.
Kailan na ba niyo din?
22.
So, question number 1. Paano po ang kailangan mga mamamayan sa mga programa ng barangay?
Una sila, mapatawag si Capsule Session. Siya session na nila ekstoryahan ng mga program, Barangay Assembly, sila. Masabi si Captain. Kada opisyal, nakasign sa kada sityo, patawag ang mga pumuluyo. Sila, sabihin na, sini, day, may Barangay Assembly. Maliban siya nagpatawag, may kakabit pa sa plaza na tarpaulin. Diba? Tarpaulin na sabi nila kung saan ang session, kung saan Barangay Assembly, na saan mo, ay basi malimutan ko lang.
Ano po ang maaaring gawin upang mas mapataas ang partisipasyon ng mga kabataan sa mga programa ng barangay?
Pangaralan.
Ano po ang maaaring gawin upang mas mapataas ang partisipasyon ng mga kabataan sa mga programa ng barangay?
Yung lugar, siguro dapat may maganda yung sa amin yung tayo sa mga. Pagkatali mo lang mag-programa sa may nakapagod ka ng gano'n ka nila. Hindi kayo pinili. Sinang nakakalas kayo?
Hello po, how old are you na po? 26.
17.
Okay, are you aware of barangay government programs?
Not really.
Hindi.
I don't have any idea about it.
Do you think youth participation in this program is enough?
No, because just participation is too narrow. I believe that developing this in your daily lives are more important and can very much help youngsters or youth navigate programs in healthier ways.
I don't think if the youth are participating in a certain program, but as I can see here in Barangay Lanta, I have seen students as well as youth for general. They are active when it comes to different activities here, but I just don't know what type of activity is that.
Not enough, it is very important actually that the youth is participating in these programs because we play a vital role in the community.
Ano po ang may papayo ninyo upang mas mahikayat ang mga kabataan na magkilahok sa mga programa ng barangay?
Magpalinga ng bahay ko.
Join these programs. And not just the programs but like small activities and barangay activities.
Tumulong sa mga gawain na makakatulong sa komunidad.
Based on the interviews, many citizens participate in barangay programs.
However, youth involvement remains limited, especially in leadership and community decision-making activities.
Our group proposes the program Kabataan para sa Barangay Youth Civic Engagement Program.
This program aims to encourage youth participation
Leadership workshop, community volunteer activities,
Youth forums in barangay officials.
and environmental project.
The participation are youth aged 16 to 30 in the barangay.
This program will help develop responsible youth leader and strengthen community participation.
By empowering young people, we can build a more active and progressive barangay.